Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips YouTube channel. In this video, you will going to learn how to get old window menu. You see here is the new window 11 menu. How to get old one. So first of all, go to your browser. I provide link in video description. So download this software by clicking on this download. I already download this software. So go back and here extract this file. So click on extract and tap on extract. So here is the file. So move this file to desktop and right here click on this one. Open this, then tap on run. Install this software. So this software is installed. So try to run this software. So open this software. Then click on classic full context menu. Here is the option. Tap on here and then tap on enable classic full context menu. Tap on here and then tap on restart explorer. So by this you easily get the this menu of Windows 10. So if you want to move back to original one, that and again click on this and then restart explorer to get the original one menu. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any query, simply ask me in the comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.